Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 5th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the daily time frame. So the dollar index actually pushed beyond the 100% Fibonacci extension, which to me kind of makes me think that it maybe really is going to go up and grab these highs, and possibly even eventually go up and grab these highs. Now, we did recently take out this high right here, so maybe it is a little bit of a liquidity grab. Maybe it will cause a little bit of a pullback. But really, we do have to realize that the market is very, very bullish. Really, this looks like a 1, 2, 3, and I don't really think there's any reason yet to say that the move up on the dollar is complete. Going down to the 4-hour time frame, like I said yesterday, the 4-hour time frame is the time frame I think that will tell us this move from here up is complete because you get a nice smooth cycle of price making higher highs, higher lows the whole way up. If we start to see lower highs, or if we start to see a break of structure, which for me, the most recent structure is way down here, which makes me even more confident this is probably going to make a higher low and end up pushing back up again, creating more structures. So if we see a break of structure or a very significant lower higher at roughly the 4-hour time frame, then I would stop being bullish the dollar. But right now, there's definitely no reason to not be bullish the dollar. This move back may just be a little bit of a pullback to this move up, and it may make another higher low. Probably will end up making another higher low. It probably will continue the higher time frame uptrend, which I would take this information and I would apply it to trade the US dollar pairs themselves. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.